Well, here it is, my last rafter. Woohoo! I'm excited. I'm gonna see if I can get that done tonight. And then we're on to the next step. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my rip saw and I'm going to just rip right up this line here, cut this out, and then I'll continue working. But I'll do that for now. Okay, now that I have the end of the rafter cut, I'm going to mark and cut the reduction. out my mortise here. So it comes in 4.5 inches. So we'll mark that on each side. Now I'm going to mark 4.5. Or sorry, 1.5 inches down. All the way around. Oh, I'm fumbling a lot because I'm wearing gloves. I try and take them off usually when I'm working, but today it's a little extra cold, so I'm going to leave them on. Okay, now that I got that marked, come down about 3 inches, because I've got 1.5 inches for my reference face, and then my mortise is 1.5 inches deep. Okay, now I'm going to drill, and I'm going to drill through the visible side first, because I'm not going to be able to drill a perfectly straight line. I'll correct my error with the chisel later, but on the visible side I want it to be closer than on the non-visible side. Now that I've got that done, I'm going to get my chisel and mallet. And I'm going to go to work cleaning this up. Well, thanks for watching.